Hi, this is Uzair. I am ISSA and IFPI certified trainer, and I've been doing this industry in the last almost like 1 decade. I work with Coca-Cola Pakistan as a fitness consultant and fitness coach. I work with Samsung as a fitness consultant. I work with HealthWire as a fitness coach and the fitness consultant also. My journey was not so long, but I'm still learning position and learning phases. So I'm just here to elaborate few workout tips which definitely help you out to get rid of the stubborn and sedentary lifestyle and stay in touch. So बैक के लिए पहला वर्कआउट जो है जिसको हम ग्लूट ब्रिज बोलते हैं. ग्लूट ब्रिज में आपने अपने बैक को स्ट्रेट रखना है और अपने हिप्स को लिफ्ट करना है ऐसे and stay there for 1 second and bring it down. Repeat this process at least for 8 to 10 times. Like this. This will give you good relief. So back के लिए another stretch is जिसको हम बोलते हैं baby pose. इसमें आपके arms straight होंगे, आपका hip का complete weight आपकी heel के ऊपर आएगा और आपका head down होगा. Forehead को आपने try to touch with the floor, ठीक है? And stay like this and count from 1 to 10 and stay there. Keep breathing and move up. Then go down again. Lower your head and stay there for 10 seconds. Count 1 to 10. Keep breathing and move up. Repeat this process for at least 5 to 8 times. लोअर बैक के लिए एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेच जो हम कर सकते हैं, ज़मीन पे आपने लेटना है, अपने नीज को बेंड करना है टुवर्ड्स योर फेस, आर्म शुड बी स्ट्रेट एंड स्टार्ट फ्लिपिंग योर बोथ लेग्स टुगेदर लाइक दिस. Stay there for at least 1 second at one side, then move to other side. Repeat this process at least 5 times each side. That will give you good relief on your lower back. Stay tuned to my page and keep watching my videos. I'll be there to assist you. I'll be there to guide you throughout my journey with HealthWire. Thank you.